Hello students, welcome to CleverQ. In this video, we are going to discuss this question. In this question, we are given a triangle and two lines are drawn from one vertex to two sides of the rectangle, and these 2 points are joined. Let us name this triangle A, B, C, D. Let this be E and F. So let us generalize this question and take this area as A, that is the triangle of ABE is A square units, and the area of triangle EFC is B square units, and the area of triangle ADFB C units, and this B, that is the area of triangle AEFB D units. Now let us find the relation between A, B, C and D. For example, and let us also assume that the breadth of A is x and the length of this rectangle is y, that is AB is x and AD is y. So let us see the area of triangle ABE, that is A, is equal to half of, this is the height x and this is the length of BE is, let us assume it as z, half x into z. We get the value of z as 2a by x. So this is 2a by x. Now let us find the area of, let this be B and this area be C. The area of B is half half y into, and let the length of DF be u, half y into u. From here we get the length of u as 2b by y. This is equal to 2b by y. Now here the remaining length FC will be x minus 2b by y. Why? Because the length of DC is x and the length of DF is 2b by y. Now the length of EC will be y minus 2a by x. I hope you guys understood. Now let us calculate the length of C, the area of C, that is triangle EFC. C will be equal to 1 by 2 into y minus 2a by x, that is the base, and height x minus 2b by y. Let us solve this. C is equal to 1 by 2 into, by multiplying these two terms we get xy minus 2b minus 2a plus 4ab by xy. Now we can send 2 to the other side, that is if we multiply with 2 on both sides we get 2c is equal to xy minus 2b minus 2a plus 4ab by xy. From here we get 2 into a plus b plus c. What we have done, we have sent minus 2ab minus 2a to the other side and took 2 common, will be equal to xy plus 4ab by xy. Now let us take multiply by xy on both the sides, and let us take this 2ab to the other side. We get xy square minus 2a plus b plus c into xy plus 4ab by only 4ab equal to 0. What we have done, we have taken LCM and took the xy to the other side, and again we have combined all these equations on one side so that we get this equation equal to 0. Now if you observe this equation is a quadratic expression in terms of xy. That is, for example, this is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now for this, to find x, we have an formula. What is it? X equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. Similarly, here we can write xy, the value of xy as minus b, that is 2 into a plus b, 2 into a plus b plus c, plus or minus under root b square, that is the square of this term, that is 4 into a plus b plus c whole square minus 4ab, sorry 4bc, that is 4 into 1 into 4ab, that is 16ab. From here we get the value of this divided by 2a, that is 2 into 1 2. Now from here we can take 4 common, and after getting outside of the root we get it as 2, and 2 from here and 2 from 2 which has gone out from this root, and 2 in the denominator gets cancelled. Now and again xy is the area of this rectangle. The area of this rectangle is xy, which is equal to a plus b plus c plus d, that is this portion, again this portion, this portion and this portion. Now let us rewrite this equation now, substituting the value for xy. A plus b plus c plus d is equal to, here we have cancelled out two terms, the term 2, here 4 goes, and here we are left with 4. So a plus b plus c plus d is equal to a plus b plus c plus or minus under root a plus b plus c whole square minus 4ab. Here a plus b plus c is equal to a plus b plus c, so all these terms gets cancelled out, and now d is equal to, we have plus or minus over here, but the area cannot be minus, so we have to consider only the positive term. So d is equal to plus under root a plus b plus c whole square minus 4ab. I hope you guys understood. So this is the relation between a plus a, b and c from the triangle abcd. Now let us come back to the question what they have asked. So here we are given the value of a as 8, the value of b is 7, and the value of c is d. Now it becomes easy for us to calculate the value for d. that is the area of triangle AEF. So D is equal to under root 8 plus 7 plus 5 whole square minus 4 into 8 into 7. We get under root, this 8 plus 7 is 15 and 15 plus 5 is 20. 20 square is 400 minus, here 8 into 5 is 56 and 56 into 4 is 224. Now if we subtract this, we get under root 176. Under root 176 can be written as 16 into 11. So finally we get the answer as 4:11. So the value of D, that is the area of triangle AEF, is 4:11. These questions might come, so we will not be having all this time to calculate the relation between A, B, C and D, that is the areas, that is small a, B, C and D, the areas. We cannot find the relation between these areas in very short term. So we have to remember this formula. The formula is D is equal to under root A plus B plus C whole square minus 4AB. This is the formula to find the value of D. If you see, if you get confused with this term, these terms A and B are the adjacent triangles which are connected with one vertex over here, that is point A. So you can remember in that way. This is the formula. Thanks for watching. If you have any doubts, please comment, and please like, share and subscribe to our channel.